Hello everyone, welcome to Rakhi's vlog. Today I am in Jagannath temple which is in Sirampur. It is very famous 500-year-old, very ancient Jagannath temple. I will take you to the darshan also. This mandir is newly built. Mamata Banerjee has given lots of money for mandir reconstruction. This old mandir has been reconstructed and now the look has been changed entirely. The speciality of this mandir is this Jagannath is 500 more than 500-year-old. Behind me this is the mandir mandap and the Garbha Guha. There is the 500 more than 500-year-old Jagannath idol. In Puri every 4 years they change the idol, but here the speciality is this is very ancient Jagannath idol. This is the new temple. Work is going on. They are coloring it and it looks very beautiful now. This is a heritage of Sirampur actually. This is the mandir, Jagannath Mandir in Sirampur. This is how it looks, and this is Nat Mandap where the people sit and do Aarati in evening. Sandhya Aarati and morning Aarati take place in this area. Hari bol, Mama, Hari bol, Hari bol. Because it's mandir premises, na? Huh? No, you don't. No Jagannath temple is complete without a giant kitchen. So here is also we have Bhog Nivedan kitchen. The new kitchen is here, and since mandir is under construction, this is a temporary kitchen. দাদা আমি একটুখানি ভিতরে কুকিং প্রসেসটাকে রেকর্ড করতে পারি? This is how Jagannath's Bhog has been prepared by all the Brahmin communities. This is a temporary kitchen. New kitchen I already shown behind, and temporary all the food has been prepared here, and this is the bhog which is today is gonna offer to Lord Jagannath. আচ্ছা এই ভোগটা ঠাকুর খাবেন, তারপরে ওই সময় যারা মন্দিরে থাকে তারাও এই ভোগটা গ্রহণ করে, তাই তো? Thank you. And this is An Mandap of Jagannath. This is the giant chariot of Lord Jagannath. During Rath Yatra, this road is full of crowd. Millions people get together to pull this chariot. And all the year, because this Rath is so huge, all the year it has to be, throughout the year it has to be on the road only. And this is how the chariot look. This is a huge chariot. Jagannath, Subhadra, Balabhadra, they will go through this Rath till Mashir Bari, and after 14 days they will come back in this Rath only. This is GT Road. To symbolize the Jagannath temple, they build a gate. This is how the gate looks. And this place where I am walking right now, this place is a ground. This now buses are standing here, but this place is a ground. See, when you're coming by the GT Road, this symbolizes the Jagannath temple. You have to get down here. Then there is, this is the Snan Mandapam. Since it's under construction now, so all the bamboos and everything is lying down over there. This is how the temple looks. मैं जिस स्थान पे अभी खड़ी हूँ, इस जगह को मेला पर्पस के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, क्योंकि जब जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा करके अपने मासी के घर जाते हैं, अपने मासी बाड़ी जाते हैं, तो इस जगह पे 14 डेज़ के लिए मेला हेल्ड होता है। ये मेला ग्राउंड है, इसको मेला ग्राउंड ही बोलते हैं, जगन्नाथ माठ बोलते हैं एक्चुअली बंगाली में, जगन्नाथ माठ। इस माठ में मेला होता है। ये जो आपको मंदिर दिखाई दे रहा है, यही जगन्नाथ टेम्पल है। और इस मंदिर की विशेषता ये है, ये पूरी मंदिर से ज़्यादा विशेष इसलिए है, ज़्यादा विशेष नहीं कहूँगी, पूरी मंदिर की बात अलग ही है, लेकिन ये मंदिर इसलिए ख़ास है क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो जगन्नाथ हैं, उस मूर्ति का एज अबव 500 ईयर है। ये GT रोड है और GT रोड के ऊपर इस तरीके से सारा साल आपको पूरा 12 महीने ये रथ यहीं पे खड़ा मिलेगा। ये रथ, ये एक ह्यूज रथ है, इसको पुल करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड यहाँ पे इकट्ठा होता है जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा के टाइम पे। 14 दिन जगन्नाथ मासिकवारी रहते हैं और उसके बाद उल्टा रथ होता है और उल्टे रथ पे जगन्नाथ वापस आते हैं। This is all about this Jagannath temple, and there is lots of old stories behind it, which I always hear from my mother-in-law and other people who are staying here, that I will share later.